parents. Hello, boys and girls. I'm Mrs. Thornton, and this is Day 5 of Week 10, One-to-One Correspondence. So the book I'm going to read today is called 10 Black Dots. 10 Black Dots by Donald Cruz. What can you do with 10 black dots? One dot can make a sun or a moon when day is done. 2 dots can make the eyes of a fox or the eyes of keys that open locks. 3 dots can make a snowman's face or beads for stringing on a lace. 4 dots can make seeds from which flowers grow, or knobs on a radio. 5 dots can make buttons on a coat, or the portholes of a boat. 6 dots can make marbles that you hold. Half are new and the rest are old. 7 dots can make the spots on a snake, or stones turned up by a garden rake. 8 dots can make the wheels of a train carrying freight through sun and rain. 9 dots can make toy soldiers standing in a rank. 'Or the pennies in your piggy bank. 10 dots can make balloons stuck in a tree. 'Shake the branch and set them free. Count them. Are there really 10? Now we can begin again, counting dots from 1 to 10. And so, parents, our exercise for today is I have some index cards, and I had some black dots that I had picked up from the dollar store. And what I did was I wrote number cards from 1 through 10, and you can go from 1 to 20, 1 to 30, however many that you can make and your child can recognize. And what I did was I wrote the number, I wrote the name, and I had put a little line here so the child would know to place 1 dot there. And for number 2, I did the same thing, and I put a line and had the child to place a dot on each line. And that way they can see the number, see the name, and the quantity, 1, 2. And I also had a piece of paper, and I had a dot blotter, and I wrote numbers 1 through 5 on the dot blotter. And I asked the child, I said, so let's put a dot for each number. And so that's what we did. For number 1, we have 1 dot, and she took the dot blotter and placed 1 dot blotter. Number 2, we made 2 dot blotters. And also an old-fashioned hopscotch. And you could do this at home, make an old-fashioned hopscotch, or when you go outside, you could play hopscotch with your child. Use some chalk and draw it on the ground. And there you have your numbers, and this one is for inside. Or you could do the outside as well, because then your child can have the chance to draw the pictures or draw that quantity on the hopscotch. And there it is from 1 to 10. and you can go outside and have fun again. Or you can make a number book for your child. You could still take these same index cards, and when you've written, they finish and put all the dots in place, and you can either take a hole puncher and put a string through it, or cut a rubber band and tie it and put holes in it and do it that way. And from time to time, your child can go back and practice their numbers. Thank you so very much for allowing me to come into your home. You all continue to be safe, and we'll see you soon.